Ako po ay si Father Mario Tejada, isang Catholic missionary priest. Ako po ay palagian dito sa Kabayan Hotel for the last 20 years. Nagsimula po ako sa Kabayan dahil sa mga kaibigan ko ring pari, misyonero din. No? Sila ang unang nag-refer sa akin. Sa aking paglalakbay, I need a place to stay. No? At natagpuan ko ito, parang tahanan, no? A home away from home. One time, hindi ko makalimutan na nag-instant reunion kami dito ng aking family, mga kamag-anak. Meron akong dalawang kaibigan, meron akong kaklase na nakita kami dito after siguro mga 20 years din. Hindi plinano, hindi kami nagtawagan, dito lang kami nagkita. Parang it's a venue for getting together, no? I believe, even if I would not say it, no, the Christian spirit talaga of service is really being upheld. I think that's how you also treat your employees and everyone who is involved, who is part of the Kabayan spirit. No? Tingin ko, yung vision ng Kabayan ay natupad dahil making the Filipino at home, or once they come back, saan man sila galing, ay may lugar sila. Naniwala ako na Kabayan will go further and the Kabayan spirit will be remembered by everyone who has come here and experienced the spirit of what the hotel, what this place had offered them. Kabayan, malapit sa lahat, maasahan ng lahat.